So when the folks designing clinical trials decide their inclusion and exclusion criteria, they're making a lot of judgment calls about who it makes sense to bring into a trial relative to what they expect the effects of their therapy on that patient population to be. You don't want a bunch of confounding comorbidities or variables clouding the picture of how your treatment has affected those patients. You probably want, all else being equal, to give as broad a group of people access to an effective therapy as possible. So there's a lot of nuance in deciding how to pick a patient population for a clinical trial for an agent. Those decisions are made upstream of, obviously, the implementation of the trial, but they're usually very precise, right? These are not written in terms of sort of administrative code set language. They're written by clinicians, expert clinicians, who say, in clinical language, here's exactly the kind of patient that we're looking for our trial. We try at IMO Health to use precision clinical terminology, as well as the instantiation of that technology and terminology in health systems, to match as closely as we can to those protocols, right? So the protocols really say, here's who you are allowed to include. There's not like flexibility on that unless the protocol itself is changed. But precision clinical terminology lets us get closer faster to that true patient population in ways that are harder to do if you don't have that precision.